What is going on, YouTube? This is MOTOSARGE signing in, and in today's video you are gonna help me with the dilemma. So let's roll the intro. All right, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in to another video. If you are new to the channel, I bring you guys along with me as I merge my passions for photography and motorcycles. So if you like anything photography or motorcycle related, please click that like icon, hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, ring that bell notification to get email alerts when I upload some new content. In today's video, I'm going to utilize you guys, my viewers, to help me to decide on what mod to throw on this Dyna next. So what do I need help with? Since owning this Dyna, I've had a vision in mind. I do more of the in and around town riding for the most part. I do throw down some longer miles on occasion, but on average it's to and from work, in and around the town, heading to bike nights, that style of riding. Now, however, with my recent trip all the way up to Chattanooga, Tennessee, I know it wasn't a long ride, but I think I clocked just over 500 miles in about 26 hours. I do want to challenge that iron butt challenge thing and hit 1,000 miles in 24 hours and do some other longer rides. But what I noticed riding up there is I could use some sort of additional protection from the wind, from bugs, from rocks when I'm traveling those longer distances. My dilemma is I don't want to take away from the look that I have right now. Like, this bike is where I want it to be. There are some little things here and there that I still want to do, such as new headlights, rear LED turn signals, a new intake, and some other things, right? Of course, with our Harleys, we are never done with any of our mods. But the additional wind protection would be huge for me to throw down some additional miles. So in the meantime, I'm throwing around a few different ideas on how I could throw down more miles and be a little more comfortable on this bike. I've been looking at Memphis shades, both the windshield, right? And I'm looking at probably doing the one that is black halfway down and then clear or solar above, or the Memphis shades Road Warrior fairing. Now, here is my dilemma. The Road Warrior fairing speaks a lot more to me, just because I do like the way it looks. It has the harder bottom around the headlights. It kind of has that aggressive style, but I do have apes. I don't have your traditional T-bars that a lot of people are rocking those quarter fairings with. So I'm afraid that the look is gonna look like I am confused, right? Like, that's the last I want, is my bike to look like it is confused on which direction it is wanting to go, whether it wants the chopper style look or the club style look. Maybe, you know, I could do that thug club look with that fairing and start something new. I don't know. But that is my dilemma right now, is looking at the two options, whether it be the windshield or the quarter fairing, Road Warrior fairing, with probably, I would say I want my windscreen to be at least as high as the top of the bars, if not slightly higher, just to give me less buffeting at higher speeds. So this is where you guys come into play. If you guys are watching this video, this is a short video. It's just to kind of get a feel on maybe what I should do next as far as protection on the road. Most of the modifications I have done, I haven't asked any input. I've done what I wanted to do, because at the end of the day, it is my bike. So regardless, you know, it's, as long as I'm happy, I'm good. But this is the thing that I'm on the fence with this windshield or Road Warrior fairing, is really, I could see the bike having either one. So I could utilize some additional resources like you to help me decide what to put on this Fat Bob. Memphis shades windshield or Memphis shades Road Warrior fairing? Let me know in the comments, and then maybe we might get to a point where that becomes a video on here where I'm throwing it on and give you my review of either choice. So if you like today's video, please click that like icon, hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, ring that bell notification to get email alerts when I upload some new content. Like always, guys, I appreciate the support. Thanks for tuning in to another video, and this is MOTOSARGE signing out.